This special series of videos on how to write a song is brought to you by Artsmark. Hello and welcome. My name is Mr. Lees. I am a recording artist and music producer from London. I also work with the Young Urban Arts Foundation to provide free music sessions for the young people of the UK. In this very special series of videos, I am going to be personally taking you through the foundations of how to write a song. In video number 1, we're going to take it through the context of writing. What are we writing about? Concepts. Okay, themes for the song, get your ideas ready, get them onto paper, decide on one, and then we move through to video 2. In video 2, I'm going to take you through the lyrics phase. We're going to write 4 sentences for our song. We're going to write the chorus, which is the main part of the song. So stay tuned for video 2. We're going to use the techniques used in rap, okay? So we're not going to look at the melodic stuff. We're going to write a rap chorus, and I'm going to teach you how to rhyme, a few rhyming patterns, and how to write a chorus. In the 3rd video in this series, I'm going to take you through the rehearsal phase. This is the most important part in any songwriting. In fact, in any artist's calendar, rehearsal phase is the most important. This is taking your lyrics and memorizing them so that you might be able to perform them all over the world to thousands of people or just to your mum in your bedroom. Who knows? The rehearsal phase is the most important, and it's the one that you're going to have to look out for. So make sure you watch video 1, 2, and 3, and I'll see you there. So, what's the point in all of this? Well, it's my aim to teach you how to write a song. I've been songwriting for 10 years now. I can write a song with my eyes closed. I can write a song with a pen in my toes. I want to grow the next generation of songwriters, and you could be one of them. Just by learning how to write a chorus with me in these few short video sessions, you could become the next big songwriter. Who knows, I could be seeing you as an artist on the TV. For more information, head over to YUAF.org. Yes, that's YUAF.org, the Young Urban Arts Foundation website. Find out more and get yourself signed up. Take it easy.